Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video to show you one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So in front of us, and for sale today here, we have a Ford Transit Custom Limited Series 300 L2H1. So long wheelbase on the Custom, giving you just under 3 meters of load length in the back and low roof. 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just under 15,000 miles. Metallic, magnetic grey, and registered March 2022, so it comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years with 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, subject to regular maintenance, and well spec'd inside and out. So 8-inch touchscreen in the cab, and on the outside you've got 16-inch alloy wheels, body colour door handles, body colour side mouldings, front and rear parking sensors, and this van has also been equipped with a rear camera. It's also been the door lock has also been upgraded to a high security stainless steel one. You've got a heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, corner and fogs, chrome effect grille, as well as plenty more. So L2 means you get just under 3 meters of load length along the easy clean floor, various tie downs, fitted with a ply lining kit, as well as the LED lighting. You get a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment on the bottom left side of the screen, which can be accessed underneath the dual passenger seats. Gives you a bit of extra length. And then you've got lockable rear barn doors when they're in a 90-degree position. Just push this bar in, and they also open 180 degrees. And now into the cab. Excellent condition inside. Leather trim steering wheel. Just beyond that, the touchscreen, I'll show you more in just a second. We've got the dual passenger seat. We've seen the storage underneath. It also has a fold down table. And you have 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat, including lumbar support. Electric windows, power folding door mirrors. Automatic headlights with daytime running. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers. And then cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. And just confirming the mileage. 6-speed manual gearbox, so 3 pedals. And then just beyond that, you've got the 2 heated seats, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen, and quick clear and quick cool down, as well as your manual air conditioning. And then just above that, the 8-inch touchscreen or IcePack 21, so a great blend of physical and touchscreen buttons. Connect your phone through USB up on the dash. You can then access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and the screen also displays your parking sensors and the rear camera. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a great example of a Ford Transit Custom 300 L2H1 Limited Series, metallic magnetic grey, 130 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox, covered just under 15,000 miles, IcePack 21 in the cab, rear camera. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.